I'm playing with my hair because I'm trying to see which direction. I think I like it this way. I normally wear my part on the other side, but I feel like it's starting to just flow. Something about this haircut and the part on this side that it just likes. So before we start, I want you to go ahead and click subscribe, click like, click share. Today is a vlog day. I know you can't tell, but I'm actually holding my gimbal. I know I did that video opening my gimbal, and I was able to get my gimbal to work, so I don't have to use my arms, and I have a little more leeway and leverage to record with. So I will be using my gimbal today because I have a lot of errands to run, and I wanted to take you out with me. So today I'll just be kind of like a day in a life vlog day. I am going to a boutique. A business friend of mine opened her new salon and boutique. So we'll be going over there. I made sure and I ordered a really cute jumpsuit from her that I'll be doing a review on soon. Excuse me. So I'll be going there, picking up that jumpsuit. I also have a friend who is doing a yard sale today. Hopefully I did not miss that, because I did get up kind of late because I do like to sleep. I got up a little late, but hopefully I didn't miss that. So we're gonna go see what she has at her yard / estate sale today. I'm about to get dressed. As you can see, I'm not dressed yet. I'm sports braing it up right now. About to go get dressed, get myself together, and then I'll be back as we are on our way to the new boutique. It's called Fabuleux Boutique. She has a website. I will make sure and post it down in the comment section of this video. I'll make sure and I'll post that down so you all can go online and order some stuff. She also sells accessories, lashes, and she also does hair like me. She does really amazing sew-ins and things like that. So I'll be sure to post her information down at the bottom. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll be back. Bye. So cute. Oh my god. I won't get you, ma'am. Okay. It's so cute, guys. This is like the boutique part. She has two parts. One part of it is like the boutique part, and the other part is her salon area. And it's so nice. As you can see, she has accessories. Let's see if I can get it. She has accessories. Oh my god, it's so perfect. It's so nice. She has her mask because we are practicing all safety precautions. This mirror is really what it does for me. Look at this mirror. You know we're gonna find a mirror everywhere we go. It's my little outfit of the day. Comfy cute. Comfy cute today. And I will go back here. Honor. Hi. So happy for her.
Thank
so
you.
Proud of her.
Thank you.
So happy. If you don't mind, we're gonna go to the back and see. Thank you. So this is her lovely restroom. And this is the salon part. And you offer what services? Because I mentioned some of them, but I wanted to make sure.
Yeah. Any extension services, hair extensions, lash extensions, individual lashes. Yeah, wig installs. I also sell wigs. I sell hair, clothing items, brooches, scarves,
Everything.
shades. Yeah, basically.
See, I just mentioned hair. She does everything, okay? She is literally a one-stop shop.
Yes.
And she is credentialed. She is credentialed, okay? 100. Perfection. So happy. This is so
Thank you,
good.
Erica. That's so cool.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is the jumpsuit that I got from her shop. Oh, some hair there. And it is a small because I'm little. Look at this cute. It's all in the details, and she really has her whole theme for the shop and the boutique is just really detailed, and it's so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna open this up and try it on and see if I can get you all some footage of me with it on. I'm excited about it. So this is me in the jumpsuit. I love this jumpsuit. The color is amazing. It's stretchy. It is so comfortable. It's flowy. As you can see, I am in a small, but it's so stretchy. If you were a little bigger, it would fit. Also, if you had more hips than I have. I wore it with my tights. So the jumpsuit gets A plus for me. The color is beautiful. The material is stretchy. I actually put it on over my tights. If I ever wore it like out, I would not wear it tight. Really, the material is completely not see-through. You can't see anything. Like, I didn't wear a bra. I wouldn't wear a bra with this, and I wouldn't probably wear, I would wear minimal undergarments with it. It's so flowy and just really cute. You can wear it really anywhere. I know for me, I'm going to photograph in it. I thought the color would be beautiful to photograph in. Very high quality. It had a zipper on the side that starts from like your hip and comes up. It's a zipper there, so you kind of just get into it, pull it up, and then zip it up. Like I said, I have on a small, and I'm about 5 feet. You can see where it falls with me with no heels on. With heels, it would still look good. I'm about 5 feet, about 130 pounds, and I'm in a small, and it's stretchy. So even if I was a little bit more hippie than what I actually am, I probably could still fit a small very well. So check out her boutique. Like, support Fabuleux Boutique. I'm gonna put a link down so you all can go and shop with her. And I'll catch you all next time. Don't forget to click subscribe. We got some fun stuff coming this week. See you all soon. Thank you. Bye.